Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be working on the KTM Superadventure. We have a Puig screen to change out. We've gone for the Touring Plus to get the maximum wind protection. We're going to get it fitted now and see the difference. We have a tape measure here, so we're going to check the original screen, and we can see that that is 260 millimeters, so 26 centimeters tall. At the top it's about 43 centimeters wide, and at the bottom where it's flatter, it's difficult to tell, but that's about 46 centimeters wide. So we'll compare that to the Puig and see the difference in size. And straight away we can see the difference in the height. Just from that bit there, it's 47 centimeters tall. So that's nearly 20 centimeters taller than the original. And the width wise, we're looking at about 46 at the top and about 50 at the bottom. So because it's curved, it's difficult to measure with a tape rule, so I was just going to the middle and then doubling it. So if you look from the bottom there, it's about 25 to the middle, so it's going to be about 50 centimeters at the bottom. So we'll get this unwrapped and we'll see how easy it is to change over. Should just be 4 mounting bolts. It does come with a floor simulation to show that the acoustic level comparison, and you can see there that you get a lot less around the head and shoulder area, so hopefully a lot less buffeting compared to the original screen. So it does come with a little bag with some parts in, and I've had a look here. There's some instructions that just tell you how to fit that, but it is just 4 bolts and there is just a couple of spacers and things to fit to get that done. And again, just shows you the helmet protection, the upper body protection, the lower body protection, increased wind protection, 75% according to the graph there and the airflow and pressure comparison. First of all, we're going to whip off this original screen, so you just need a T30 Torx wrench. The original screen off and we can look at mounting the new one. So very straightforward, just took those 4 screws out and the screen came off, and I do have the GPS mounting bracket there as well, which just stayed in place. The instructions show we need to put the rubber grommets through the holes in the screen and then these top hats, and then we use the mounting points to raise it away from the original points, and then the new bolts will just go through the screens, and then there's just some small caps to go over the top. So reasonably straightforward, and we'll get on with that now. That's the rubber grommets and the little top hats fitted there in the holes. So that's the screen ready to mount. We just need to put the extension pieces onto the bike and then use the new bolts. That's the mounting posts in place. The longer ones go at the top and the shorter ones go at the bottom, and now the new screen can go in place. Before we do that, I'm just going to give this bit of a clean because it's a good opportunity while I've got the access to do that. That's it all cleaned up now. We're just going to nip these up just to make sure that they're all alright with the 11mm spanner. And now we're ready to fit the screen. That's the screen in place now. You just need to tighten these up with a 2.5mm Allen key, and then we'll put the caps on at the end. The finishing touch is just these little cap heads, just go on there like that. I've already done that one. That's the screen fitted now, so there's only one last thing to do: remove this sticker. Oh, and this sticker, there's 2. Finished. Thanks very much for joining us and watching this short video on us fitting this Touring Plus screen to the KTM Superadventure. Next time we go for a ride, we shall see if it makes any difference to the wind around my head and shoulders and reduces any buffeting. So please stay tuned and we'll get that video up next time we go out. Thank you. Bye bye.